To connect Nothing Ear A with your Windows PC, Windows 10 or 11, first of all, you will have to start by inputting both earbuds inside this charging case, and you will have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. Just like this. Now we can release. If it's not blinking, probably your case is out of the battery, so you will have to recharge. Next, keep that case open. If you have this notification, you can already connect them, but if you don't have, go to the settings, go to the left side on the Bluetooth end device, click on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth on your PC and click to add device. Now select Bluetooth device, and from this list, now you will have to just select Nothing Ear A. If they doesn't pop on this list, you will have to wait sometimes for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, even 1 minute. Just be sure that this indicator is still blinking and you are in the pairing mode, and they will definitely appear. If something is wrong, you can just switch off the Bluetooth on your PC, enter for the pairing mode one more time and just try it one more time. And now, as you can see, we are successfully connected with this device. So thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.